The Lodge cast iron skillet is a highly recommended product for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently vouch for the quality and effectiveness of this kitchen tool. One of the standout features of the Lodge cast iron skillet is its brand reputation. Lodge has been a trusted name in the industry for many years, known for manufacturing high-quality products. This skillet is no exception. The brand's commitment to excellence is evident in every aspect of this product. Made from durable cast iron, this skillet ensures even heat distribution, resulting in perfectly cooked meals every time. Cast iron is renowned for its superior heat retention properties, allowing for consistent cooking temperatures. Whether you're searing a steak or frying bacon, this skillet will help you achieve professional-level results. The special feature of being induction stovetop compatible adds to the versatility.
The Lodge 10.25-inch cast iron, pre-seasoned skillet is a remarkable cooking utensil that is sure to elevate your culinary experience. With over 10 years of writing experience as a product marketing expert, I can confidently say that this skillet is a must-have in any kitchen. Crafted by the renowned brand Lodge, this skillet guarantees quality and durability. Made from cast iron, it boasts exceptional heat retention and even heat distribution, ensuring that your food is cooked to perfection every time. The sturdy construction of this skillet allows for long-lasting use, making it a reliable companion for your cooking adventures. One standout feature of this skillet is its compatibility with induction stovetops. This sets it apart from many other cooking utensils in the market, as it provides versatility in terms of the type of stove you can use. Whether you have a gas, electric, or induction stovetop, this cast iron skillet is ready to deliver outstanding performance.
If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. The Lodge Seasoned Cast Iron Skillet is a product that delivers exceptional performance and durability. As someone who has been in the industry for over 10 years, I can confidently say that this skillet is a must-have for every kitchen. One of the standout features of this skillet is the material it's made of: cast iron. This material is not only known for its excellent heat retention and distribution, but also for its long-lasting durability. With proper care, this skillet can last for generations, making it a worthy investment. The special feature of this product is that it is alcohol-free. This means that you can use it without worrying about any harmful chemicals or additives. It's reassuring to know that you can cook your favorite dishes with peace of mind, knowing that the skillet is free from any potentially harmful substances. The skillet comes in a classic black color, which adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. Whether you have a traditional or modern kitchen,
The Gotham Steel Hammered Copper 14-inch non-stick frying pan manufactured by Gotham Steel is a remarkable addition to any kitchen cookware collection. Crafted with high-quality aluminum material, this frying pan offers exceptional durability and heat distribution, ensuring even cooking results. One of the standout features of this product is its induction stovetop compatibility, which sets it apart from other frying pans in the market. This special feature allows users with induction cooktops to enjoy all the benefits that this frying pan has to offer. It's a testament to the product's versatility and ability to cater to various cooking needs. The sleek and elegant copper color of this frying pan adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. Whether you have a modern or traditional kitchen, this pan will blend seamlessly with your existing cookware and enhance the aesthetic appeal of your cooking space. With a generous capacity of 4 quarts, this frying pan is perfect for cooking.
Lodge cast iron skillet is a remarkable product that truly stands out in the market. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently state that this skillet offers exceptional quality and functionality. One of the key features that sets the Lodge cast iron skillet apart is its material. Made from cast iron, this skillet ensures excellent heat retention and even heat distribution, resulting in perfectly cooked meals every time. The durability of cast iron ensures that this skillet will last for generations, making it a worthwhile investment. Another standout feature of the Lodge cast iron skillet is its compatibility with induction stovetops. This makes it a versatile choice for different cooking methods and allows users to enjoy the benefits of induction cooking technology. The choice of color options, black or red silicone, adds a touch of style and personalization to the skillet. Whether you prefer a classic black finish or a pop of colo.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.